Did you know that your favorite PBS Kids programs are now available on DVD? Come play and learn with the Teletubbies, Boo-Bot, Caillou, Cyber Chase, and JJ the Jet Plane. You can own all of these great programs and share in their adventures anytime. Laugh and play in Teletubbyland with all of your favorite Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Tipsy, Lala, and Po. Off the couch and on your feet, get up, dance, and bounce along with the Boo-Bots. Join Caillou, a little boy with a very big imagination, as he and his friends explore the world around them. Wow! Brain power to the rescue, help Jackie, Matt, and Inez save cyberspace from the dastardly villain Hacker. But that's not all. Your favorite JJ the Jet Plane episodes have landed on PBS Kids Home Video. Imagination takes flight in Cherrytown with JJ and all of his friends in these all-new DVD releases.
Touchdown!
Enjoy these and other fun and educational PBS Kids programs that kids love and parents trust. Be on the lookout for all new DVD releases from PBS Kids and Paramount Home Entertainment. Coming soon.
Children in America are counting.
I want to count backwards. 1, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5, 6.
Children in Egypt are counting. Children in South Africa are counting.
1, 2, 3.
Children in China are counting. Children in Russia are counting. Children in 120 countries are counting on you. Sesame Workshop puts the proceeds it receives from the sales of its products right back into Sesame Street and other local educational projects for children worldwide. So when you buy one of our products, you're not just giving your child a gift, you're giving one to children around the world.
Prepare to be haunted the rest of your life, and be prepared to be slashed, for I have more to show.
Learn more at sesameworkshop.org.
Hey buddy, this is Sesame Workshop, and I want note you that Mist is possessing Ord, and he's going kill all the dragons, humans, and the entire Dragonland. Just go run away, before he gets you.
Oh, shit, go run.
Oh look, it's a victim, ready to be punished.
Please, Ord. I would do anything for you. I'm telling the truth. That isn't you.
I don't care. Game over, you fucking bitch. You will be punished forever.
Oh fuck, no.
Do not listen to that motherfucking bastard, because Dragon Tales will be starting now.